Most people have a broken definition of passive income. They imagine sipping a margarita on a beach while their bank account fills up. That is a lie. Real passive income isn't about avoiding work. It is about doing the work once, up front, often aggressively, and getting paid for it over and over again. It is the shift from being a laborer to being an owner. My name is Max, and I spend way too much time thinking about money. Today, we're looking at the math and psychology behind 5 specific income streams that can actually generate $1,000 a month. No scams. Just executable reality. First, let's do the math of $1,000. Why that number? Because $1,000 a month is the psychological tipping point. It covers rent in many places. It covers your groceries and utilities. When you hit $1,000 a month in passive income, your survival is no longer 100% dependent on your boss's mood. That is freedom. To hit $1,000 a month, you need roughly $33 a day. Let's break down the 5 paths, ranked from requires money to requires hustle. Stream number 1, the dividend fortress. This is the most traditional, reliable way to build wealth. You buy shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits. But the math is brutal if you are starting with 0. The average dividend yield for a safe ETF might be around 4%. To generate $1,000 a month at a 4% yield, you need a portfolio value of $300,000. I know. Max, I don't have 300 grand. But you don't wait until you have the money to start. If you buy 1 share today and it pays you 33 cents a month, that is the first money you ever made that didn't require your labor. It is the seed. If you invest consistently and reinvest the dividends, that 300,000 number isn't a wall. It's a destination. Stream number 2, the digital real estate model. If you don't have money, you must invest your brain. Think about specific knowledge. Are you a wizard at Excel? Great at meal prepping? You can package that into a digital template or guide. Here is the math. To make $1,000 a month, you don't need millions of views. If you sell a $20 product, you need 50 sales a month. That is less than 2 a day. If you sell a $50 product, you only need 20 sales a month. The beauty is the margin. It costs $0 to replicate a PDF. Your profit margin is effectively 100%. The hard part is distribution. You have to build a funnel, giving value for free on social media, then offering the paid solution. You might work 100 hours to build it and make $0 initially, but once it clicks, you get paid for years. Stream number 3, high yield cash flow via private credit or REITs. This is a middle ground between stocks and business. We are talking about real estate investment trusts, REITs. These assets are designed specifically for cash flow. A good private real estate fund might pay 8% annually. To hit $1,000 a month at an 8% yield, you need $150,000 invested. Still a lot, but half of what you needed for dividends. The catch? Liquidity. You can't always get your money out instantly like a stock. You are trading liquidity for yield, but it feels tangible. You are the landlord without the broken toilets. Stream number 4, the affiliate arbitrage. This is the purest form of business. You connect a person with a problem to a company with a solution. The secret to hitting $1,000 a month here is recurring revenue. Don't chase one-time payouts. If you recommend a software tool that costs $100 a month and they pay a 30% recurring commission, you get $30 a month per user. The math? You need 33 people, not 100,000 followers, just 33 people who trust you. If you help them, you get paid indefinitely. Stream number 5, the YouTube library. This is arguably the most scalable stream. When you upload a video, you plant a digital fruit tree. Here's the math. Advertisers pay creators for views. Let's conservatively say you net $10 for every 1,000 views. To make 1,000 a month, you need 100,000 views across your entire channel. That sounds daunting for one video. But you don't need one viral hit. You need a library. If you have 100 videos, you only need each video to get 33 views a day. 33 views is nothing. This is the long tail effect. I have videos from 3 years ago that still pay for my groceries today. The action plan. You cannot do all 5 at once. If you have money but no time, focus on stream 1 and 3, dividends and REITs. If you have time but no money, focus on stream 2, 4, or 5, digital products and content. The first $10 of passive income feels impossible. Most people quit because they make $2 after 50 hours of work. They fail the psychology test. Linear income pays you once. Passive income pays you forever. That first $2 is proof of concept. If you can make 2, you can make 20. Eventually, you hit 1,000. The math works. The systems exist. Pick one stream. Take the first step today. I'm Max. Thanks for watching. Now, go build something.